Brandon Ruin, there's winter weather alert.
Remember that this is a Wednesday-Thursday deal, and a lot of people are already thinking, well, is it possible we get a snow day? If that is possible, it would be Thursday because it'll just kind of get going around this time tomorrow as far as the transition from rain to snow. Looking live across the river, good morning, Canada. Temps are about 5 below Celsius, but middle 20s Fahrenheit. The southeast winds 5 to 10. Keep wind chills primarily in the middle and upper teens, so dress for that. Pesky breezes through the day out of the southeast. Could be gusting 20 to 30 later in the day, but it's a milder breeze, or it's trying to bring in some warmer air. So middle 20s in the morning as the kids get off the bus later today, 41 degrees. Woo! A brief warm-up. Rain chances after 4 p.m. And again, the winter storm watch will be upgraded to a warning and starts Wednesday morning, goes all the way through Wednesday, Thursday morning, and then ends at 11 p.m. on Thursday. Waiting for the moisture out of the deep south, the cooler air out of the west and northwest to converge to bring, Kim, look at this. Some impressive two-day snow totals, 1 to 1.5 feet possible.